Bafethu, so sizobukela ama-quarter-final matches of the Nedbank Cup without any of the big three clubs, bafethu. Orlando Pirates have been eliminated by Kazakh Stars in the Nedbank Cup round of 16. Bafethu, Kazakh Stars, congratulations to you guys. Bafethu, they deserve this win. You can't hold the Orlando Pirates until I'm a penalty, then you don't win the game. Clearly, that was their game plan, and you can't blame them, Bafethu. I mean, they're playing one of the best teams in South African football right now, and they're playing that team, Lapis Godin, Bafethu, at the Orlando Amstel Arena. They knew coming into this game they can't be excited. They need to stick to the game plan, and they got whatever they wanted, Bafethu, right? Which is to progress to the next round of the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates, Bafethu. Orlando Pirates, they can't find a way to unlock the low block. Abu Muremi, Bafethu, they don't want to pass the ball. Sizotini, Bafethu, because I mean I've said it. Just pass the ball to your teammate. If you don't score, it doesn't mean you're having a bad game. Because he believes if he doesn't score, he's having a bad game. Bafethu, Orlando Pirates can't find a way to unlock that low block. Bazamile bafaka police, they interchange, no really mfuking, but they couldn't find a way. They couldn't find a way to unlock that low block. But 2 losses in a space of 5 days or 6 days. But Orlando Pirates are out of the Nedbank Cup. They only got the league to win now. But they've won Carling Knockouts, they've won M108. Abasada my excuse, Bafethu. They have to win the Betway Premiership.
Ihlazo ayikho into ongayikhuluma uyichaze ihlazo mfethu. Oqala labantu labo basidide ingqondo asazi noma Sundowns noma iLupopo. Ijazz labo lifana neLupopo lishana ngokhala beSundowns. Okay, okwesibili ngizoqala nje mfethu nginike iKaizer Stars icredit badefende kahle igame plan yabo bahlale kuyona mfethu abafunanga ukusatshiswa iteam ngoba kuthiwa iteam enkulu lokho basebenzile. Pirates, we are not winning anything this season. Angazi nje mfethu indaba. Angazi indaba. Yabona nje bafethu. Umuntu uzogcina esekhuluma izinto la ezirong inkanda ngifuni ukona umoya wami. Angifuni ukuthi manje sengosho umoya wami. Yabona ke mina yonke bengihlekana ukuthi neSundowns ngithi sebeyishayile Sundowns. Sengisele namaZulu iteam engase nginike inkinga. Kanti nayo inkinga la 1 hour later umuntu usekhishwe iKaizer Stars. Useless team man. iPirates ngeke iziwine lutho nje bafethu. Ngeke iziwine lutho. Ayikho into esizoyiwina this season. Hayi ningiphoxile phambi kwabantu umndeni wakho ku TV nonke. Hayi contract ayakho serious my bro. Awukho serious. Usibuyisela le muva. Before Jose Rivera usibuyisele emuva lo muntu. Yabona into yokuthi kunabadlali abangakhishwa ngisho umuntu engadlali kahle. Simo sokuthi uyi-star player umuntu kodwa me offer akakhishwa. Yabona izona zonke ke lezi zinto ezizokwenzakala. Besisuka la siyodliwa kwiDerby. Besisuka kwiDerby siyoshawa isiwelele lapha. Ngeke kuze ushaya isiwelele usahlulwa iKaizer Stars. Bonje bafethu angizwani nezinto ezingishintsha umoya. Bonje iPirates izo relegate. iPirates ya relegate at this season.
Hello sis. Ngicela ubuza se-office zeNedbank ezo. Okay, good. Uthetha ne-speak persons abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president abalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Ukuthumela Trump. Esisi ngicela ukubuza le team ibidlala nePirates yapi? Ayo yaseMpumalanga le team leyo. Mpumalanga kwaMhlanga ayikho lonto leyo. Idlala kwi-B division. Mutsipe ntonto ayikho lonto leyo. Le team lena yiLupopo le ndibonene nekiti yayo yiLupopo idlala kuCAF le team. Ayikho lonto ithethayo sisiLupopo le. Ayikho team edlala kunto kuMutsipe Foundation enzima kanje ukubethwa. Ayikho lonto le iLupopo le. Niyena sicheck iID zabo. Bafake imask abantu iLupopo le sisi. Mayiqalelo le Nedbank ayikho yonke lento le. Mayiqalelo le Nedbank. have another successful hate watch. We are all Kaizer Chiefs, listen to me, Kaizer Chiefs, listen to me. Release a third kit. Make sure it's yellow and blue as a belief. Kaizer Chiefs, release a third kit. Make sure it's yellow and blue. Because Orlando Pirates, whenever they see yellow and blue, they start twerking. They twerk to the they twerk. Guys, I'm speechless. I am out of words. What did I just watch? What did I witness? Keswick Stars. Yes. We are all out. Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, all out. So we are on a level playing field. I have no words. I'm trying to process the right things to say, but they're not coming out because it's been a successful hate watch. Our football's a funny game. Our football, the beautiful game. This is why we love it. But penalty shootout, it's 50-50. At the end of the day, penalties can go either way. On the day, if the luck's on your side, it goes your way. Because Keswick Stars could have won it, Pirates could have won it, but everyone missed. Keswick Stars, Orlando Pirates, Keswick. 120 minutes, Pirates could not do anything. They couldn't take their chances. Once again, this is crazy. I'm just closing this. I have no words. Shock, utter disbelief and shock.
Njengobani othi empini and leave their best soldiers. Uyempini njengobani oyempini and decide ukuthi no, I'm going to war, but I'm gonna leave some of my best soldiers. Got the empini gona ngiyayi. Kodwa some of my best soldiers will be left behind. Keswick Stars 5 in penalties, Orlando Pirates 4. Unfortunately, a technical team, Orlando Pirates, seem to be people that don't learn from their mistakes. They seem to be people who never learn from their mistakes. I wonder how long it will take for them to actually do learn from their mistakes. Orlando Pirates went to play a team they did not know, Ilupopo. I remember seeing their lineup. I texted my friend. I'm like, hey, do you see this lineup? I'm supposed to Orlando Pirates. I said the coach is feeling very experimental today. Me, I don't know Lupopo. I don't know who's in Lupopo, Jengoba Eketa le lineup. Mina, I'll take my strongest soldiers. It's fine. He went, he caught 3-0 hands. My conclusion was that he was gonna learn from his mistake here, not in the technical team. What happens today, you go and play an NFD team, a team you do not play with Betway, right? I'm running out of time. What do? You leave your strongest soldiers. Your middle field was flat because you have people that are able to control the ball in the middle field and people that are able to do box-to-box properly. Nemtajela wasn't very effective today. Why not sub him? Why are you leaving people like Ombata, Nombule? Why are those people not playing? Why Odlamine are not playing? It's unfortunate. So this game was a result of people not willing to learn from their mistakes. You are committing the same blunder you committed with CAF. Today you are out of CAF and also in Nedbank. Why? You are refusing to learn from your mistakes. This lineup, I think a backline did well. I think it was evident when they are building from the back, Orlando Pirates with those long passes. Yes, Uchabatana was doing the long passes and I think he was solid. But they were drinking him or hot or down long passes. Boy, he was making accurate passes. Sometimes they were lending to Ilokuza. opponent. Let me tell you why he was making long passes. There was no middle field. You choose. We make short passes and the ball ends up with opposition, or we make
bafowethu idliwe iPirates iguqile iphumile kwiNedbank Cup kwila 16 siphuma kanjalo ke bafowethu ezimnyama ngenkane zagebhula umhlaba wamasipala zabhekisa phezulu lezi ezayiAfrica zabuya nestar okuyinkanyezi phezulu kwelenyoni lokho kwenza ukuthi iOrlando Pirates idliwe kabili kulandelana okuyinto ke kade ke sayigcina kuyibona kwezimnyama ngenkane Nedbank Cup isithunzi sayo njengamanje siphansi njengoba iOrlando Pirates iphumile ilandela iMamelodi Sundowns esanda kuphuma kanti neKaizer Chiefs yaphuma all big teams eMzansi wonkana nje asi-out ngicabanga ukuthi nje sekungomakoti kuphela abantu abasele kwiNedbank Cup ucoach ke bafethu ke uzame kakhulu ngokusemandleni uapproach igame ngendlela enhle kakhulu indlela enhle ebekhombisa iwin but ke kwala khona ama-sub akhe siwabonile bemahle kakhulu cha kwale khona ukwenza ngoba uzame kakhulu and wazama ngakho konke kusemandleni but ke if usuku ngesilo lakho suke kungesilo olwakho lokho kokwenza ukuthi ke ukuthi iphume kwiNedbank Cup kuyona sikuphike lapha sikhona njengoba iOrlando Pirates ngaphandle abadlali abageja ama penalty Chabatswa ibhodlela bafethu bosibisa umunye ugeja penalty mase kuba uNdaba nakho iOrlando Pirates watholile ama chances ube kumele iwasebenzise but ke angasebenziseka angicabanga lokho ukuthi sengaba injumbana ibheke coach ngoba yonke into uyizamile kanti ke negame yeKaizer bafowethu bakwazile ukuthi abafana beyiplan kakhulu coach wabo ngimshala izandla kakhulu nabadlali beKaizer bafowethu ukubambisana ukudlala as a team not ukufuna ukushayina although ucishe igame bayilahla ngama last minute sekumele bewine ama penalty because bebe advantage 2 times but ke ngokuthi igame bengeyabo bagcine ukuthi bekwazile ukuthi beyithathe igame beye kuma quarter finals okungokuqala nqa empilweni yabo hard mabhakaniya nizamela madoda ukwale nje khona ukwenza shoot
banikwe ihlathi elirong yo banikwe ihlathi elirong yo abakwazanga ukuphuma ehlathini bafele empini so kudla ngamahlathi sesiyofika yathi kasi cha lutho anazi waboyikiswe lijezi noba cha kodwa nisilibasile akusiza ugula kancane uzofa beke kufanele nivele ninike nje kasi le game zisuka nje ningabe nisisa kuma penalty yasilibazisa izani sinilindile la sohlalani sonke neSundowns sifikile
awuzakhala simakade khona icomment ade ngiyifunde le comment le ithi bebethi bagudla ngehlathi bashaya khona ehlathini madoda zakhala kodwa ke sesikhuluma ama facts la ayikho igame angayibuka ePirates ebhora nje le game ade ngiyibuka la yo ngisengahluleke ngisengayiyeka ngobuka iMadrid ngathi mangibona sekuthiwa extra time hayi ngabuyi ngathi ngiyabuka ayiziyakhala man fana abancane bayidlala i low block abasebenzela baze bafike ema penalty yazi bethi yabona lo sibiswenu vele penalty ishotshwe nombani kodwa yabona lo sibiswenu cabanga vele bhedela this season qedza uzosho penalty wenza kube worse ipenalty again ishotshwe nombani no Ronaldo isheba no Messi isheba kodwa ubuvele uyibhedela kule season hayi madoda ngeke hayibo hayizakhala man fethu best weekend again iMadrid kusa 1-1 la ngibuka yona kusa 1-1 ngisho siphela ngedraw still ngihappy ngenxa laba neSundowns edliwe madoda ifiso zami babona amandla ngiyabonga yey hayi madoda ibo base excited man ingaze nga happy kaze nga happy Nkosi yami kodwa Thixo
Okay bafethu that's it for video namhlanje. I don't really have much to say namhlanje. Angazi nokuthi ngithini ngiqale ngakuphi mfethu. Like yabona le defeat ibuhlungu ukudlula Sundowns. Le defeat ibuhlungu Sundowns. At least after I came Sundowns, I had some ways to say. Namhlanje angazi nokuthi ngithini, bro. Angazi nokuthi ngithini. When we signed De Jong, I thought we were signing an attacking midfielder. I didn't think we were signing a striker. But they should be a striker. Abona nje bafethu angazi ngithini bafethu. Coach Wadu, I always abona uWadu every time I come kulama video lawa and I make these videos, I'm protector, bro. I'm always like, he's a good coach and our team is, but I have so many questions, dog. Abamandla Ncikazi, dog. Why umsebenzi kaMandla Ncikazi lapha ebhenchini like yini kanti? We are out of Nedbank. We are out of Nedbank. We are knocked out by Kazrick, dog. At least Sundowns was knocked out by ETS Galaxy. That's understandable. Sundowns is understandable. ETS Galaxy vele ayikona team ongayithatha kancane. Team vele even when they play against Paratory, it's Sundowns. ETS Galaxy vele will give you a good run for your money. You can't. A defeat against ETS Galaxy is not bad. It's a PSL team and it's a good team. Losing to Kazrick. After we've been clowning the Chiefs for these years, they lost to Milford, they lost to Abus Bamban, we lose to Kazrick in this manner. I am lost for words, bro. Angazi ukuthi inkinga ama-player, inkinga u-coach, mhlawumbe the players they lack motivation, and you guys still want us ukuthi sihlale la and be like we are going to win the league. Kanjani with these kind of performances, with these kind of players? Umremi, bro. Umremi, I don't know, ever since guys wasitshela ukuthi umremi novela khahlela, I feel like usekhulekile, uyazi ukuthi yena vele some accept as a player selfish. No, we don't accept that. Selfish. Umremi selfish. Umremi is selfish. When Umremi Nosibelebele, every time they play, I feel like they miss like Glory Layer before FCON, where like they were always on the score sheet. It's gone. Pelile, dog. Stop living for my glory, dog. Pass the ball to your opponent. And because we had a striker in Umbutsuma, in Umaho, who's this guy Umabas? We opted for Umbutsuma and Umahopa. But thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Chiefs name Stellenbosch.